sorry about last video or yesterday, earlier in this video. I don't know how I'm going to split up this footage yet, but yeah, I forgot my camera, so I couldn't really show y'all exactly what happened. But as you can see, pretty well painted. It's not all the way dried, unfortunately, but so when I throw on this rope, which is, you know, the strap, you can see some of the paint come off and whatnot. So it just needs longer to cure, but I'm mounting the motor on it today. Therefore, you know, I kind of want to get the ball rolling. And what I did was temporarily added 4 screws, 2 on each side. One right there, one right up there. That way, obviously, it doesn't like slide around and whatnot. And I think everything else should be secure. And I got everything I need. So I think I should be good to go. I'll see y'all when we're mounting the motor. I was so flustered that I didn't even show y'all what was going on before I took off the tire. Now see if there's something that ain't right about this besides the tire being off. Yeah, busted hub. As you can see, we have new ones on the front axle, but I guess, I don't know. And I mean, it has been sitting a while, but you know, decent amount of grease came out of there, and I just pulled it forward on a 2x6 to get this off the ground. And I was able to pop off the tire, and I'm back in business. I just got to go a little bit more ways to my parents' house where the motor is and a chainfall is in order to install this thing. And I should be fine. Wait, and now that I have access to this, look, I'm like, that bolt don't look right. Oh look, the nut's all the way over there. Can y'all see that? Oh, would you look at that? A daggum death trap. I don't know if y'all can see that. I couldn't see what y'all saw, but the threads don't go far enough down on the bolt in order to get a secure fasten on that. I've been driving it like that. I drove it 4 or 5 hours just like that home. I've driven it to and from here and there for the past 8 months, 10 months. That's annoying, very annoying. How's it hanging? I'd say slightly to the rear. Gotta get a quick video of the motor hanging. Alright, so I got a few things to do. I gotta go get some bolts to mount this on, and then I'm gonna take this hub off so I can get the right one if Napa has it. So I just backed it in where it needs to be, and I ain't gonna drag this thing all the way up there, obviously, especially looking like that. But whew, we're so close. I'm stoked. We just measured the motor height to get it the right height so that the water coming out from under the hole stays under the cavitation plate, but is also running by all of the water pickups. All right, I'm drilling a hole in this perfectly nice transom. Should I do it? Okay, I'm doing it.
It's not mine.
Move
not flat.
Yeah, try to drill.
Let me,
So your transom, your motor's going to be laying like that on the transom, so you want it straight like this, not like that. Follow me?
Yeah.
So
do you want it 90 degrees with the angle of the transom?
yeah.
That
looks good.
You think right here?
Yeah.
It's one of those things you can stop on.
So what you can do now is you can measure down from the center of the hole you just drilled to that hole that's kind of in there that we think's the old bolt hole, and just measure that on the inside and see if that is going to interfere with your depth. So, you follow me?
Yeah, I'm with you. If you couldn't hear, he said, let's remeasure now that there are holes on the inside of the transom, down the about 10 inches that the bottom holes are supposed to be to ensure that they're above the deck, because they're really close. Yeah, it looks like it'll come above the deck. How do you think my angle look, Connor?
Looks pretty good.
Ooh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Nice.
If anything, you can just cut the the washer down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bring your drill down up a hair. Yeah.
That's good.
Yep.
I'm kind of curious.
Where's your washer? Where's your washer? Might have to trim like a little bit of this down to let it lay flat. Most of your pressure's on your top ones.
Okay. What's it looking like, Kyle? Damn near perfect.
Yeah, you had the exact same angle coming through.
I need to clean out a bit more.
What was that?
Lord.
That hurts. Alright, what's next?
Bolt it up.
Yeah, let's bolt it up.
Word.
Yes.
Maybe you want to take a razor blade or something, scrape all the 5200 off that's on there on the back.
Yeah.
That's okay, that's actually pretty good. No, you just don't want whatnot.
I gotta make sure like it doesn't cut off before like I record one time. How's it looking, Kyle?
A little bit more.
My way?
Right, hold on, I'm moving it. Alright. So if we want to, we're dead center on that top one.
Oh yeah, we gotta put it in a different bolt.
So if we want to lift it up,
Oh yeah.
go down.
He'll just put the bolts in.
Maybe come, we might have to come down and then I can put
Do a retrofitted to get in the right position and then we'll go back to
Yeah, come down. Or
Come on down a little bit more. Hold that.
pushing it away.
Okay. Alright, come down some. Yeah, well, see, remember we still gotta get 5200. I was just doing a test fit.
to the retrofit.
Yeah, I wanted to make sure this is gonna work right before we put that stuff in there.
Yeah.
Which it should. I got an idea. See if this works.
I feel like that's going to be something on your YouTube channel. I've got an idea.
You got it.
I noticed working with Hunter on things, he always, that's his little catchphrase. I got an idea.
That's my thing, huh?
I've got an idea.
Try to pull this up.
Oh, that's the release valve.
Alright, come on up.
Ready?
Yep.
How much?
Just keep. Is it heavy?
No.
Let me tighten it up here.
It's starting to get heavy though.
Come down.
It's coming.
Hold up. That ain't right. This thing's all the way tight.
Is that right?
What?
The holes are offset to the left. Oh, maybe that's because the boat is leaning due to the lack of an extra tire.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Okay, good.
A good thing we didn't screw it up on accident.
Yeah. All right, so what do you think now? We just pull out the bolts 5200 in it?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I didn't grind out all the cracks though on the paint.
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. Get in there a little bit.
I think a little bit.
Go ahead, just keep hitting it while it's alright.
Because I've been trying to, this is when I was installing the rigging tube, I was trying to figure out like what rigging tubes normally look like differently than just running PVC.
Just run wire through the build.
Yeah, it's crazy. It bothers the crap out of me. Like even,
Oh yeah, all that wire running all up in the build.
I was about to say, it does still look like it's a little bit off.
Uneven.
Yeah. This isn't going to help those line up.
Oh yeah.
Considering we have 2 points of contact. Double angle. Moment of truth.
And the transom is broken.
It just rips off. I'd be so upset.
Me too, because my toes would probably be underneath of it.
Woo!
You're right there at it.
Yeah.
Well,
very straight.
it needs to be trimmed up a little bit too.
Yeah. I trim up a little bit. I'll be just out of the water.
That's good height. That's good.
Yeah, I'm stoked on that. I'm stoked. I appreciate the help. Well, I'm helping you, but you know what I mean. You're helping me, but you're doing all the work.
That's sweet.
All right, so that is that. I mean, in terms of it being bolted on, and that's basically it. That was a long time to bolt on a motor. I got to get some fuel hoses and run a bunch of stuff. I could do everything else myself, but that, I'm happy I had my brother's help. So we also have it like this, which looks funny, yes, but I guess is proper because we have this just at the right depth compared to the bottom of the boat there. So yeah, pretty good.